Hello, in this video I will show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the rear screen wash and wipe system on your Toyota Yaris. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we'll show you the location of the fuses for the rear screen wash and wipe system. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'm going to show you how to test the fuses. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a test light and a multimeter. First I'll show you with a test light. So in order to test the fuses with a test light, we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm going to be using. You need to put the other end of the cable onto battery negative or chassis ground. In my case, I'm going to put it on battery negative. So these are the fuses that I'm going to be testing. On each side of the fuse there is a pin that we need to touch with the test light, and if they should both light up. If one of them lights up, the other one doesn't light up, that means fuse is blown. If they both light up, that means the fuse is good. Next we're going to test fuses with a multimeter, if they are good or bad. This is what the fuse looks like, and this is the contact in the middle that connects to the two pins. If the contact is connected, that means the fuse is good. If it's burnt, that means there is an open circuit on the fuse and fuse is blown. So in order to check the fuses, we need to measure the resistance. So turn the multimeter on to 20k ohms and we'll start measuring. When measuring the resistance of the fuses, the resistance has to be very close to zero. First we'll check the resistance of the two cables. It has to be zero as well. And now we'll start testing the fuses. If it shows something close to zero, fuse is good. If it doesn't show anything, that means fuse is blown off. If it shows a lot of resistance, also fuse is not good. The first one showed 0, the second one also shows 0 ohms, the third one shows 0 ohms, and the fourth one shows open circuit. It doesn't show any ohms, nothing is changing. That means this fuse is blown. Now we see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that the contact in the middle is not connected to the two pins, so that's why it doesn't show any resistance, because it's an open circuit. Next I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes for this Toyota Yaris. There is two main fuse boxes on this car. One of them is in the engine bay area, which is right there underneath this plastic cover. We need to remove that cover and we'll see the fuse box in the engine bay. Next I'll show you the other main fuse box. The other main fuse box is in the fascia underneath the dashboard, underneath the steering wheel. We'll go just underneath the dashboard and we'll see it. It's right there underneath this white cover. We need to remove that cover and we'll see the fuse box. And that's the fuse box right there. There's another part to this fuse box. The other part of the fuse box is behind this pocket. We need to remove this pocket just by pulling it out, and we'll see the other part of the fuse box. And the fuse box is right there. Next I'll show you in the service manual all the fuse boxes for this Toyota Yaris. We can see there is the two main fuse boxes, and there is some smaller fuse boxes around the car. And on the left are all the fuses in those fuse boxes. In the search tab, we're going to type rear screen wash and wipe system, and to show us all the fuses for it. We can see there is two fuses, and they're located in the fascia 1 fuse box. And the fuses there are F20 15 amp fuse, F21 15 amp fuse. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.